Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the pattern we are going to learn to knit today. You can use this pattern in your both gents and ladies sweater. See, this is the pattern. I have done 2 repeats. This is 1 repeat and this is 2 repeat. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. So this is 12 rows repeat pattern after your 14th row. For the first repeat you will need to knit 14 rows, and then after this repeat you will repeat only 12 rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern after your 14th row, and then you will need to cast on multiples of 5 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 5 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 3 times 5 15 plus 2 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches, row 3 right side, knit all stitches, slip your edge stitch knitwise on the right side and knit all stitches. Row 6 purl all, so row 4 purl all stitches, row 4 purl all stitches. Row 5 knit all stitches, row 6 purl all stitches, purl all stitches. Row 7, for row 7 your edge stitch slip on the right side, and before you start the repeat first knit 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, from this 5th stitch 1 2 3 4 5, from this 5th stitch you're gonna come down below, and from this fifth hole, 1 2 3 4 5, from the fifth hole we're gonna draw a loop here. I'm gonna draw a loop and knit one. We're gonna do this draw loop, knit one 5 times. 1, draw loop from this fourth hole, knit 1, 2, draw loop, knit 1, 3, 2 more times, draw loop, knit 1, 4, draw loop, knit 1, 5 times, right? That's the repeat from here to here. Draw a loop and knit 1 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Repeat that again. From this fifth stitch, 1 2 3 4 5. From this stitch you're going to come down below, 1 2 3 4 5. From this fifth hole you're going to draw a loop, knit 1, 1, draw a loop, from the fourth hole, draw a loop, knit 1, 2, draw a loop, knit 1, 3, draw a loop, knit 1, 4, draw a loop, knit 1, 5 times. We have done 2 repeats. We have one more repeat. 1 2 3 4 5. From this stitch, 1 2 3 4 5. From the fifth hole, draw a loop, knit 1, 1, draw a loop, knit 1, 2, draw a loop, knit 1, 3, draw a loop, knit 1, 4, draw a loop, knit 1, 5 times. We have done all repeats, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, wrong side. Your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side, and before you start the repeat, first purl 2, 1 2, purl 2, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 together 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. See this loop and purl stitch 5 times. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 together 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Repeat that again. Purl 2 together, this loop and this purl stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. One more repeat. Purl 2 together 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and your edge stitch, purl. Row 9, see, row 9, knit all stitches, row 10, purl all stitches, row 10, purl all stitches, row 11, knit all stitches, row 12, purl all stitches, purl all stitches, row 13. For row 13, we're going to now draw a loop from here. Before we did here, from here, now we're going to do from here, from this stitch, from this line. So row 13, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and knit one. And now start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Now we're going to draw a loop from this line, before we draw a loop from up to down to up. Now we're going to go up to down, like so. So we're going to draw a loop from here first, draw a loop, knit one 5 times. We're going to do 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 3, draw a loop, knit 1, 4, draw a loop, draw a loop, knit 1 5 times. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, draw a loop, knit 1 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, repeat that again. We're going to draw a loop from this line. So draw a loop first, draw a loop, knit 1, 1, draw a loop, knit 1, 2, draw a loop, knit 1, 3, draw a loop, knit 1, 4, draw a loop, knit 1 5 times. We have one more repeat. Draw a loop from this line. So draw a loop, knit 1, 1, draw a loop, knit 1, 2, draw a loop, knit 1, 3, draw a loop, knit 1, 4, draw a loop, knit 1, 5 times, and the last 2 stitch knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, so row 14, last row, edge stitch, slip, and before you start the repeat, purl 2 first, 1, 2, and now start the repeat from here. Repeat pattern is purl 2 together 5 times, this loop and this one purl stitch, purl 2 together 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 together 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again purl 2 together 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more time, purl 2 together 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your edge stitch purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. For the first repeat we did 14 rows, and now from this repeat, from next repeat, we're gonna repeat only 12 rows. You're gonna skip your row 1 and row 2 and start from your row 3 and end with your row 14. So you will repeat this 12 rows, row 3 to row 14, row 3 to row 14 over and over again until you reach your desired length. See, this is the pattern. So this is how you knit this beautiful pattern. If you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.